Hello, hello. Welcome back to Conversa. I'm teacher Shelby. It's your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. Do you struggle with the past tense, speaking in the past, telling stories about your childhood or even what you did last weekend? Well, today I'm going to show you the most common past verbs, the regular ones, of course, but we're going to focus on the irregular ones you need to know. Let's get started. Now, the past in English, I think, is the most difficult verb tense because you have regular verbs and you have a lot of irregular verbs that you just need to memorize. First, let me remind you about the regular verbs. Regular past tense verbs usually end in ed, right? The verb plus the letters ed. Let's look at some examples you can use every day. Work is worked. I worked yesterday. Play, played. We played soccer last weekend. Cook, cooked. She cooked dinner last night. Clean, cleaned. He cleaned the house yesterday. Call, called. They called me on the phone. Need, needed. I needed help with my homework. Now, the real practice today, irregular verbs in the past are completely different. The word changes completely. There's no rhyme, there's no reason to it, so you just have to memorize and you cannot add ed. Don't worry though, let's go through the most common irregular verbs and I'll give you examples. Go, do you know it in the past? It's went. Look, a completely different word, not goed, went. I went to the store yesterday. Have, the past is had. She had a big lunch. Do, the past is did. He did his homework last night. Get, in the past is got. We got new shoes yesterday. Make, made. I made a cake for her birthday. Say, said. The pronunciation on this is not said, it's said. Said. They said hello to me. See, in the past is saw. We saw a good movie. Come, in the past is came. My friend came to my house. Think, I thought, yes, or she thought about her future. Know, knew, I knew the answer. Take, in the past is took. He took his lunch from the refrigerator. Give, gave. They gave me a gift. Find, found. I found some money on the street. Tell, told. She told me a secret. Leave, in the past is left. He left the party early. Feel, felt. I felt happy yesterday. Put, it's the same exact word. How weird. Put, right? Depends on context. She put the keys on the table this morning in the past. Begin, began. The class began at 12 o'clock. You're late. Keep, kept. He kept his promise. And the last one, write, in the past is wrote. I wrote an email to my friend. Now let's try a quick quiz. Let me give you 5 sentences and you tell me if you remember the irregular past verb. Yesterday, I to the park. I go, but in the past you say, yesterday I went to the park. Number 2, she dinner last night. She make. How do we change make into the past? She made. She made dinner last night. We, a movie. The verb is see. In the past is saw. We saw a movie. He, a good day. The verb is have. He had a good day. The last one, my homework. The verb do. In the past, did. I did my homework. Great job. Awesome job. Remember, practice these verbs every day. Choose a few, one or two, and write me a sentence in the comments and study them as much as you can. I'm so sorry. The irregular past tense is tough, but you can do it with practice. Now, if this lesson helped you, don't forget, like, subscribe, share it with a friend for more English tips. And if you want more help with past tense, with regular rules, how to use it in the negative, here's a deep dive on past tense for you. I'll see you next time. Bye.